Hey guys, it's Brian with Retired at 40, and I realized that I never did a deep dive video on one of our products, the food funnel. I just did a batch of freeze-dried peas. That's a perfect candidate for using our food funnel. I'm going to show you how to put it together, I'm going to show you how to use it, and then I'm going to show you how it can streamline your freeze-drying process. So today we have some freeze-dried peas, and that's something that normally most of it would end up on your floor if you were trying to fill a Mylar bag or fill a ball jar. And with the food funnel, it holds your Mylar bag, it frees up a hand so you can have both hands kind of directing the food into this large funnel, which then directs all of that right into the Mylar. These legs are adjustable for different size Mylar. This is an 8x12 bag. It will also work with a 10x14. So this is also not a flimsy product. This is thick gauge steel. It's made in America. It's made actually here in the hometown that I live in. It's plated steel. It's gonna last a lifetime and it's not gonna rust. This funnel is a very common size funnel. It's very easy to get a hold of. So if the funnel ever breaks or something happens to it, very easy to replace. The funnel also comes apart so you can transport it, you can store it. In fact, when you receive this in the mail, it will come in pieces. These legs come off and you can actually take it down even farther than that. You can take these apart. I like to leave the legs just like this, but these just slide into these holders here. You do that on all three sides and that kind of builds your platform, and that's really all there is to it. This piece here is the Mylar bag holder. It has some good weight to it. It's also thick gauge steel, so it's not going to move around on you. And then you're going to stick the bottom of your Mylar bag into that base, stick the funnel down in that, and that's going to hold your Mylar bag. Once that's full, you're ready for your next bag. Our goal for the products that we develop at Freeze Drying Supplies is to streamline the freeze drying process, make it as easy as possible. This definitely helps with that. This is going to give you a lifetime of use and really just complete that arsenal of freeze drying products. And you can pick one of these up and many of our other products that we continue to develop at freezedryingsupplies.com. As always, thanks for your support in the development of this store and the products. And until next time, remember to live life simple, and we'll catch you next time.